am trying to hit mad profits. So, I got my coffee working right now. We're about to hit the charts. I'm gonna start off this day with pocket options, and then later on in the day, after we hit some good profits, we will go to stake.us, and that'll be a whole nother video. But first we'll start off with this. Let's go. Let me screen share this. Um, pocket options trading account share. So I don't know if anybody was tapping with me last night. I hit some decent. I had made my $50 back and then made a $50 on top of that. So I was pretty stoked on that. I was like, yeah, okay, but I can't get like overexcited because I could get that. It'll just I'll lose it real fast if I like I'm all cocky and think that I'm a freaking master trader. No, I gotta stay freaking on my toes. Um, so right now we'll just find an opportunity. Right now it looks like it was a big market, and buyers and sellers are they're battling over position on. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's sideways. Because in all reality, that little bit, we look at it at a higher time frame, like 50 seconds or a minute. Um, it'll be like freaking. Oh my god! Don't lag on me now. Pocket options. What the hell? Excuse me. Oh, I need to quit smoking, dude. It's fucking detrimental to my health. Okay, so my charts are loading right now. You know what that means. You know what that signal means. Whenever it starts loading, we'll study our notes. So when it's loading like that, we come up in our notes and we start studying. So understanding this is good note stuff. So if we want to get your tablet out and start jotting this down on your notes and all that, or you got a damn typewriter, whatever you're on, go for it. Get on this shit. Um, we're gonna want to understand trend and a trade. So if you want to write that down and Google it and take notes on that, you're gonna find out, figure out where's the support, and where's the resistance. Figure range of market. That's a good term to know. Even though I'm in a range of market at a higher time frame, I still have to understand the trends on a lower time frame. Stay on the right side of a trend. So a trend comes off of a sideways market, which was I was analyzing right now, but the charts freaking loading on me. Supply and demand when looking at a higher time frame. Its support and resistance when looking at a lower time frame. Oh, yeah, okay. Trying to anticipate where my zones are to take profit or pivot points. So since it's loading still, we're going over some notes. So you identify supply and demand. Mm, look for at least three momentum candles. So, like, say it's reversing, got knows that's confirmation. Uh, find the area where the move started. That'll be your key zone. Wait for price to retest that key zone. Look for consolidation. Spot the area to find supply and demand. Find the area with wicks in relatively the same area to find supply and demand. Once price retests the key zone, place order. Once confirmation candle touches the zone and reject, place order. Prioritize higher time frames. The lower time frames, the less effective candlestick patterns are. So the lower the time frame, less effective candlestick patterns are. So when you start analyzing and then making your assumptions and insinuating that the price is going to move in a certain direction, the lower time frame is less accurate. These are some patterns. If y'all want to write them down and Google them and take notes on them. Um, one, we have the double top and the double bottom pattern. Number two, we have the triple top and the triple bottom. Number three, we have trend continuation patterns, bullish and bearish. Number four, we have trend change pattern reversal. Number five, we have head and shoulder and inverse head and shoulder patterns. Number six, we have triangles and channels and wedges. That's they all three of those work as a set. So those are like patterns in the market that you could like look up and see because I can't really explain them like totally brutal gachos without like visual, like without the charts. If I have the charts up, I'll be able to like kind of point out what's what. And uh, so traders, the best trades to take are breakout trades. Oh well, like top and bottoms out of these all of these ones that I had said, and yeah, waiting for a breakout, uh, which is pretty much that same thing. Uh, view at higher time frame, then switch over to the lower time frame to see if confirmation in confluence candles appear, signaling market to continue higher probability, or a contradicting signal opposite trade. Plan the trade and trade the plan. Learn why certain trades work and why certain trades don't. So analyze your losses as much as you analyze your wins. That's pretty much what that means. So the double bottom pattern looks like a W. The twice touched bottom low is considered a support level. The double bottom pattern always follows a major or a minor downtrend in a particular security and the signals the reversal and a beginning of a that signals the reversal and a beginning of a potential uptrend. So a double top would pretty much just be like the opposite. gonna try to show you notes, but I don't know if you could read them properly. You can't read that shit. What is a head and shoulders pattern? Oh, we already went through that one. This one's considered reliable chart formation that predicts a bullish to bearish trend reversal. An inverse head and shoulder pattern predicts the bearish to bullish trend. The neckline rests at the support or resistance line, depending on the pattern direction. So some of the advantages of head and shoulder patterns is experienced traders identify it easily, define profit and risk, big market movement can be profited from, can be used in all markets. The disadvantages: no vice traders may miss it, large stop loss distances possible, unfavorable risk to reward possibility. Another pattern we have is a rounding bottom pattern. A rounding bottom pattern is a chart pattern. A rounding bottom is a chart pattern used in technical analysis and is identified by a series of price movements that graphically form the shape of a U. Rounding bottoms are found at the end of an extended downtrend and signify a reversal in a long-term price movement. So those ones are signaled like a U. And then we have a cup and handle pattern in the shape of a U, and the handle has a downward drift. A cup and handle is considered a bullish signal, extending an uptrend, and is used to spot opportunities to go long. So we have the upper resistance, the U, it breaks the upper resistance, and then the handle part is where it drops down and reverses. And then once it breaks out, that's when you place a trade. So these cup and handle patterns are good for breakout trades. So identifying breakout trades. So you have like an original bullish trend, and then it'll hit the upper resistance line and resist off of it into a bearish trade, and then go back up, retest the resistance line, come back bearish, and then revert back into a bullish trend and break out of that resistance line for opportunity. We also have a rising and falling wedge where trend lines converge, pattern of declining volume as the price progresses through the pattern. A rising wedge occurs when securities price has been rising over time, but it also can occur in the midst of a downward trend as well. So Google rising and falling wedge. That's a good one to take notes on. We got let's see. I want y'all to remember that trading binary options involves high degree of risk, and you should always conduct thorough research before entering any trade. Additionally, you should never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always adhere to your plan and risk management strategy to minimize losses. So there's three types of analysis, and I've made that clear with my title. We have the highest form of analysis. We have the technical. That's studying the charts, marking the charts, like the support and resistance and the trend lines, etc. Then we have which is medium effective. We have a fundamental analysis where you look at the data, currency interest, and other factors connected, like news connected that's related to the trader's interest. Um, and then we have like the lowest effective one. Um, but to me, sometimes it's like the highest affecting one. We got the sentimental aspect of trading, which is your feelings and emotions. This is good notes too if we want to jot this down. We got the trading sessions. We got the Sydney session, which is the first one, and it's one of the two smallest. It's from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Second smallest, we got Tokyo session, which is 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. And this one overlaps our third one, which is London session from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. Oh, no, wait, 2 to 3 a.m., 2, 3 a.m. around that time to 12 p.m. And then we have the fourth one, the New York session, just 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the London session and the New York session are most volatile. The Sydney and Tokyo session are smaller and they don't have as much volatility and liquidity and all that shit. Here's our some. Let's see what else we got. I'm waiting for my charts to load up. I'm gonna go get some coffee right quick. I think it's ready. Then we'll go over some more notes. Hopefully, when I get back, this fucking charts are up, so I can fucking smack on some trades, baby. Let's go. I'm just gonna like reload the page. BRB. got my coffee and the charts ain't back. What the f? It's okay. You know what that means? It's good because you don't want to just wake up and go straight on the chart. We gotta wake up and study and hit the charts. So thank you, Pocket Options, for implementing discipline in my trading. Um, let's see what else could we go over. Went over the phases of market. We'll go through a couple definitions. Ask is the price a seller is willing to sell for. The lowest ask price is most commonly referenced. Bid, the price a buyer is willing to buy for. The highest bid price is most commonly referred. Breakout, when a stock breaks out above its previous resistance level. Candlesticks, a type of chart where each candle represents the high, low, open, and close for a given period. I don't know. I can't show it. It's not working. I tried. Gap up, gap down. When a stock opens above or below its previous closing price. Going long, buying a stock with intentions of selling at a higher price. High and low of the day. HOD/LOD. A stock's highest or lowest price for the day, which would be like its supply and demand. Market cap. The total dollar value of a company based on the stock price and outstanding shares. Red to green and green to red. When a stock goes from being up on the day to down on the day, vice versa. Resistance, a price level at which sellers repeatedly overpower buyers. Marketing is difficult for the stock to increase price. Risk reward, how much money you plan to risk on a trade compared to how much money you expect to gain. You know what I'm saying? So if your account is at like freaking, you're on your last freaking $5 or you have like, and you're looking at a freaking Apple and it's only at 73% turnover, you're not gonna want to risk $1 on 73 cents turnover. You want to go to something that has a higher turnover, like an 85% to 95% turnover rate. I mean, profitability rate. So your risk to reward, how much you're gonna risk out of your account for your reward. Um, Trend, the general direction of a stock price movement. A stock be in a uptrend or downtrend. Value, the amount of shares a stock trader or oh wait, what the hell? Value, the amount of shares a stock trader for a given time. Oh, a stock trades for a given time. So yeah, we went through a lot of this. What is market structure and trends? The behavior, condition, and current flow of the market. Support and resistance levels, swing highs and lows. All good stuff. Come on, charts. Let's go. Maybe that's a sign to go on steak first. Damn, it's already been like freaking 25 minutes, and I haven't even freaking got to analyze the chart. So these charts ain't freaking loaded, man. I'm not get jiggy with this shit. Bro. Yeah, this coffee's strong. I put like fucking like four, like what, three and a half big ass scoops in for just only one cup. Like, gosh, so bad. Like, I put a decent amount of sugar in. Gosh, well, it's still strong. It's good as fuck. Like, honestly, like my coffee more stronger than sweet. Like, I like to still taste that coffee, that fucking gacho taste. Like, like damn near dark. You know what I'm saying? Damn near dark coffee. Like, damn near freaking just black coffee. Honestly, like I only use creamer and sugar because it's available. Like because I have the option too, But if I didn't have the option, like man, just straight black coffee is fucking smacks hard as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like it has fucking, I don't know, it just has a badass taste. Like, and it's different types of coffee too. Different types of coffee have different like it hit different compared to like a fucking like a bag of keefy or like like some folders, like then you have your folders, then you have like your fucking Arabic like Starbucks got so bad, like and then you have your Starbucks, then you have your HEB brand, you have all these other brands of coffee, like dark roast, medium roast, light roast. I'm all going off subject, but hey, coffee's good. Yeah, but I can't believe this. It's been 30 minutes and all we've been doing is just nothing but studies. And I mean, it's good. Studying is always good. You can't go wrong with studying. It's just time is money, and I like to get in on this when I have a clear mind and I'm not all like super stoned or like like I don't know. I just like to be fresh. Like last night was I was surprised I actually went in and made profits on both my stake account and my pocket options because man, like I was exhausted. I literally pulled a double shift. No wait, was that yesterday that I pulled a double? No, it wasn't yesterday. Forgive me. The day before yesterday, I pulled a double. Yesterday, I kind of slept in, and then I pulled an all nighter on the chart. So there we go. We're up. We're in there. So I think, I think I realized. I think I figured out when every time it crashes on me, it's when I skip from a time frame from like say I go from like 5 minutes or I go from like an hour all the way to 5 seconds, just like by clicking right there. Boom. It takes a while for it to load up the price movement and everything. So I think it's better like to go down gradually, and it's better that way too because you could analyze what's going on in the meantime. We're gonna test the waters right here with 30-second trade. bullish and try to smack on a little something, but I got that one I'm probably gonna get smacked out of. Um, I didn't even look at what's going on in the higher time frame first before I placed that entry, which what I should have done because it looked like we had we had an uptrend and then uh it dropped to down. So sellers are trying to take over the market. My goal for right now for this video was to hit 150 and then jump off and then hit stake and then go hit some profits over there. And then yeah, that's my goal. I got a pretty good strategy working for me on stake. If y'all want to tap in and watch those videos, uh, you know, uh, it's all about manage risk to reward ratio. Yeah, because I tried a couple strategies and I got popped. I got like I got popped, and I was like, damn, like um, I realized like it was my fault that I got popped. I could have stayed afloat if I had managed my risk to reward ratio, um, which is the same thing. Which kind of why I could see why people say trading stocks is like gambling. There's only like some things that are similar and some things that aren't. There's its pros and cons, but I believe that both of them, you could be very analytical and learn the fundamentals of it, and then master the sentimental part of it, and I believe you could gain dumb profits. You know, like I don't believe that gambling is all just completely luck. I believe of its strategy, just like pocket options is complete strategy and analytics. It's becomes gambling when you're uncertain and you're just placing random trades and you're just like, oh, okay, so price looks like it's going up, boom, it's going up. Well, that's it. That's all to it. That's the I understand that's why people say, okay, it's like gambling, you know, but there's really deep analytics in this. With but I'm a creep. Oh yeah, look, it might be a. This looks like a inverse Head and Shoulders because we got the head, and then we got the oh, we got the head and we got the shoulder. So it's like this is, I guess, signaling a bear to bullish. Right now, I guess I'm gonna want to uh wait for price to come down a little bit more over here. I'm probably gonna test the waters with a minute trade, bullish. Good coffee, man. Really good coffee. So right now, I'm just testing the waters right now and trying to find my rhythm. You know, you don't want to go start off the day with a big ass trade. You know, you want to You wanna find where you fit in, you know what I'm saying? Find where you find that little breakout trade. Um, you know what I'm saying? Uh, that I'm gonna double that up, and it's probably gonna continue to go up, and then oh no, I was hoping that it would have rose above this position and then broke even, and I still would have acquired my profit if I had broke even. That's a little strategy that I formulated my own self. I've never really seen anybody do it. Like no one showed me that on YouTube, or I didn't find it to figure that out. I literally just did it. I figured it out. Like say it's over here, and you put a bearish trade, like I just did right now. I mean a bullish trade, like going up, but price continues to drop. I doubled it up, so it doubled up the price. I mean it doubled it up by making another entry that was just would expire in the same time as the top one, and then in reverse it hopes that it'll go continue to go bullish. It didn't work. So okay, we're good. We're not those little we're controlling our sentimental uh and emotional aspect. The fact that we just lost oh $3 within the this first session right now, testing the waters, that we could just eat up and just have faith and know that we're gonna smack on some more trades. So we can't just let that affect us. Our trading psychology. We gotta just take those little defeats, those little L's, because we know that we're gonna finna go in. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll see when I start hitting the rollover button and it start freaking. That's when I see that price is like freaking going. Like now, got that trade. We're gonna want keep the buying momentum going. Come on, come on. That's the strategy where you blow up. You blow on the candlestick. Hell yeah! See that? That's one of the best strategies there is. You blow on the candlestick, and it'll go in the direction you blow on it. Ew. Yo, this is so disgusting, yo. Okay, last night I was coughing, right? And I didn't have anywhere to spit, so I spit on this paper, the phlegm, like 3 fat nuggies, and it's just all black and ugly. Ugh. That's what my going on in my lungs. So we made that couple dollars back, that $3 we lost. So now we're back at our starting price of the day where we started at. Probably a couple cents up or a couple cents short. But I don't really like how this is fucking going. Oh Jesus! Oh, so I hear awakens ancient demons. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know what I just did with my lighter, but to appear right now. Say it ain't so. Yeah, I can't find my freaking lighter, dude. What the hell? I just had that shit. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Stay focused, Ed. You got this. Oh hell no, that's fucking shit's irking me. I can't focus. I need my lighter. I was sitting on it. Um, going in on that on the bearish trend, it looks like kind of like it's gonna reverse on us. So I'm not gonna hold that up or roll it over. Just gonna let that play out. So we got another dollar, another 92 cents right there, baby. Let's go. Let's see. You cleaned up, found Jesus. Oh, down. A good song to play right after that song is Pink Floyd, "Wish You Were Here." It's the Doomer version. God, so bad. Let's see what we got going on here. I kind of think that what I see, excuse my burp, gosh, is it's gonna touch this key zone, possibly. That's like a key zone right here. You know what I'm saying? That's so what we're gonna what I'm gonna do is put a 30-second trade down, so that gives it time if it's gonna play up there a little bit. Do a 15-second one. Mm, oh shit! It didn't let me roll any of them over. At least I got to double them up. Oh yeah, let's go. My next trade I'm gonna do for $2. No, I'm gonna keep it at a dollar. Not gonna. I'm gonna uh manage my risk to reward and not try to push profits too fast. Uh, heaven from hell. Hell yeah, we smacked on that one. So far we're up $6. What I- what I what I mess up is I don't have. I used to not have the patience to just chill at $1 trades. You know, every couple dollars I would get, I would be like, oh, okay, so now I have more buying power. So I would increase my trade amount, and then this whole balance would just oh, and I'm just like get smacked out of position and sad and sentimental and hurt. But that's the things that we go through. That's you go through that, trust the process, and in due time, you know what I'm saying? I believe that I believe in myself. I believe that it's possible. I believe that endless amount of opportunity in these markets. And once I learned to manage my funds correctly, I could blow up my account. You know what I'm saying? Like 50,000x. Multiplier. I used a multiplier. Like, but in reality, like I'm being serious. Like that, like people think that my goals are like freaking unrealistic goals, but nah, like my goals are super realistic. Like I know the potential, I know the opportunity. Like we can't, I can't give up. Like failure's not an option. Like I know that, yeah, if I have the right mindset and I'm consistent and I continue to progress, I believe that I could do this. Be able to take care of my peoples, man. Same old fear. Wish you were here. See, I was about to roll that one over, but it would have got smacked out because it reached its high. So it broke that line. Fuck, I think I'm gonna reverse on me again. I should have got in way down here. Could have, should have, would have. Nick. Hell yeah. That one broke even. That one I rolled over. Oh no. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Yeah, there we go. Shit, almost smacked me out of position. I'm not gonna roll that over. Should have let it play out. Gotta be patient. Let the market. Eh. If anything, it might come down and retest this area. I'll test it with a dollar. With a dollar, I'll test that. It's like pay to play. Oh, fuck! I got smacked out that trade. Gotcha, high frequency. Oh, that was ugly. So it's a fight, a battle between position. This I can move up here. If it retest this area, probably gonna shoot up. Or if it breaks that area, it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go for another bullish trade. Oh shit, that was a minute entry. I wanted to do 15-second entry, so I'd follow it up with another one, 15 second. Okay, price want to just fuck around and be in a sideways market right here, so I'm not gonna trade anymore right now until I see a breakout, because I'm getting smacked out of position, brutal, and I don't like losing the money that I gained and acquired because it hurts my feelings. Oh shit, that one just barely broke even. I don't like this. Come on, you fucking piece of shit. Damn you in hell. Just kidding, right? Excuse my language. This okay. We got to reanalyze the sentimental aspect and change our behavior because um that was rude for all the listeners that are or future listeners that are listening. I apologize for my vulgar language. That is not a professional trading mindset. I apologize. I need to tighten up. So right now we got it testing this area that I jotted down. Got another area. This one right here where we see could move this down to right here. Down. Okay, I'm gonna fucking back off of this doc because it's fucking pissing me off again. Like this 5 second high frequency shit is very very stressful. Like very like I just realized I did that last trade at a fucking $2, and this one I just got brutally smacked out of position again. Um, because that one was at 5 seconds. Wow. So I need to analyze what the fuck I'm doing, and I get let the emotional aspect overrule my trading and start fucking off my money. I need to stop and chill, evaluate what's going on in the market. What the hell's going on? We got a like a falling wedge right here. Or what is that? A rising wedge, falling wedge. It's coming down like that. Boom. Oh my god. That was stupid. You saw that? Oh, at the last fucking second, it just spiked down. Like I thought it was gonna reverse right here from these candlesticks. No, hombre. Just said nope. Okay, I'm gonna back off of that because due to sentimental reasons. Golly darn, that shit hurt. That shit was like $10. That was like $15. That was like at 105. I was at $105. This is like freaking 30 seconds ago. No, like a minute ago, and now I'm like, Gacho got smacked out those trades. Let's see. Let's see. Let's look at it so we analyze where the fuck we went wrong and let it hurt some more. Okay, we got this $2 one that we lost. So two, four, another $2 one, two, four, five, $6, $7. We just got smacked out of position. This $2 one. So yeah, that's not good. $7. I don't wanna run. Up until the unit on my own. Come on. Oh my god. Price action is just not fucking with me today. I'm just getting smacked around, dude. I'm not seeing no profit. This shit's fucking hurting my feelings. Shit's teasing me. Like it's saying, hey, look, there's all this opportunity and potential for you becoming a fucking multimillionaire. But we're just gonna fucking let you get a couple dollars and then take it right away from you. I mean, it's no one taking it from me. It's literally my own faults, like my own actions that are like I'm doing it myself. Like it's all under. It's all like I'm totally in control here. Like it's my. I'm the reason I just lost my fucking $5, $7. Okay, like it was only $7, but when I had that 100 right here, like that shit made me feel a little bit better because I'm $1,999. I'm $100 just got ripped out of that 200 and 300 $2,300 of all time loss. So like, it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just very like I'm trying to like explain where my psychology, where my psyche is at, and like my whole trading mindset is at because like yeah, that's part of the whole journey is realizing where you are, where you stand in emotionally, you know, psychologically and all that shit. What affects you, what doesn't, and that shit affected me. Like that $7 just right now, like okay, like that shit. It's like fuck, like that shit make me stress the fuck out. Like how the fuck is price action like? What you know, have to put in a perspective that 90 rule. You know, 50% of anything and 90% of chance you're wrong. You know what I'm saying? Check out what Apple's doing. Of course, we got to go up. So this is 5 minutes candlestick. Got a bearish trend, meaning it's lower. We want to sell. I'm gonna do $2 for 3 minutes in a bullish. Oh shit! I thought I was on 50 seconds. Stupid. Probably gonna get knocked out of position. I honestly thought I was at the 50 second because I saw 15 and I was like, okay, it looks gonna go down. My dumb ass. I wasn't analytical enough to realize what I was doing. Loaded gun complex. Cock it and pull it. So we're pretty much like 30 minutes into our trading. Uh, 30, 35 minutes. because the first 30 minutes it was the charts weren't loading. 30 minutes in, we're down $10. Um, I'm pretty sure, positive that I will gain profits for sure, for sure. I know this. Affirmations, I have to stay positive and keep a positive mental attitude and make sure my risk to reward ratio is on point. I don't want to go and rest like more than 5% of my account on one trade. Let's see what it would be. 5% of my account would be, yeah, like $5, $4 or some change. We're doing like barely 1.1% trades. Likes to sing along. Oh my goodness gracious. Damn it, boy. Damn, I didn't realize that was on a 2 minute one. I mean, $2. I need to just find that right breakout, like that right breakout trade right now. It's not working. It's not going well. What I see right now was it coming up and then going down. So it's made a high low, made a low high, and then it's gonna make a low low, and then it'll do it again. This is will be considered its high high, and then it'll be a high low, and then this will be a low high, and then it'll make a low high. I mean a low low. Unless it retests just this bottom area, then we have kind of like this little sideways market because we have to remember that we're on a 5 second time frame, so we're gonna see a lot of little sideways markets and breakouts. Um, because it's just like working at a higher time frame. You just apply all that knowledge to a smaller time frame, and you wait for a breakout. And yeah, so right now got this little area that's the little key area with this bottom line. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one black and put it at 2px. So that's like a key area. I want to keep in the perspective because that's like our fucking what is it? Support resistance. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Now it's gonna probably smack down back over here. Uh oh shit. So I think we got a breakout right here. shit, that one was 30 seconds. Damn it, boy. Price done reversed on me. God, so bad. Brutal, eh? Oh no. Better get smacked out that one. See, when I see that and that happens, it makes me want to come and double click over here and then go against my fucking initial. But at the same time, it could make a low, and then what I thought was happening up here could be happening down here, and I really get fucked out double time. So that's part of controlling my sentimental aspect of it because my emotions tell me to, oh, since you lost, you look like you're about to lose right here. Double click this and then win down here. But I'm not gonna risk that just for uncertainty. I want to see it come up, retest up here, and then want to shoot back down again until I believe that it's gonna be a continuation and a the breakout trend into a continuation of this bearish trend that we have going on here. So it'll test up here. I'll go for that up there. It's gonna test this black zone, this black line probably. So this is its new support. Allah. Okay, maybe I'm just getting smacked out around. Shit. What is that? Like a upside down U? Damn, it's fucking reverse double click out of emotion because that shit's pissed me off. We'll roll these over. I'm gonna double this $4 one up. But then the market needs to fucking quit playing with me. Give me my fucking money. So we got it going up to that key zone that we saw earlier. Okay, I doubled that up and I have a feeling, gosh, come on, please, man. Let's go, baby. Come on. Fuck yeah. Good shit right there, papas. Come on, come on. Hell yeah. Smack that shit on my mama. Let's go. We eating. God damn it, boy. You don't know how stressful that shit was right there. But I'm finna rewatch that shit on like last night. I was rewatching my video and like I literally didn't hit my profit till like the last fucking like 15 minutes of the video last night after an hour, like almost 2 hours long of being on pocket options. Like I at the last second, like through the whole video, I was up and down, up and down, up and down. And then the last part, I secured the bag, and I was like, "Fuck!" But right here, this $2, I rolled it over. Oh, no, this $2, I doubled it up. So doubled it up to this one. This one I rolled over. So it rolled over the price to to $4 and extended the time a little bit longer. So that 15-second trade went to a 30-second trade. I doubled that up to another $4 trade and then rolled this $4 trade over, doubled the $8 trade up, and then rolled it over again. So man, that shit smacked hard. Okay, so now we're missing opportunity here because it's reversing on us from this key zone. Uh we have this la verga. Come on. Just click. Oh, I hate that when it fucking doesn't want to click when I want it to click. Like it doesn't want to. Okay, there we go. We got this key zone that it tested and it reverted from. So we're up. We're back. We're in profits now. Well, for the day, not the whole past 7 months, but just get all sentimental. Oh, I feel like I have a good trading psychology and I have a good edge on this. Like, and I feel like in due time, I'm gonna take care of some people. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna bless some people up. They're gonna be astonished. They wanna jump in on this. Hopefully, if not, we'll see what's your interest, and we'll make a profitable source of income. Well, no matter what, we're gonna acquire the bag. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be living struggling and having to struggle to make ends meet and freaking worried about the water getting turned off like it is right now and the fucking my lights next, you know what I'm saying? And fucking birthday parties, holidays, Christmases, all that, worrying about getting the day off, worrying about having to pick up someone's shift because I'm short on funds and being off a whole week and not knowing why because they're hiring new staff and they're fucking probably gonna get rid of me. I don't know, like there's all these things that play a whole part in my trading psychology that I have to master. It's like totally mind over matter. You have to master your mind to like. There's this saying. I think it's from Mark Twain or Frank Douglas. Some I forgot. Uh, either or. It was a very good notable. What is it? Very notable, quotable. Uh, it's you become rich in the mind far before you become rich, like physically, like in capital, like wealthy. Like you become rich in the mind before you become wealthy. Like you know what I'm saying? Like it's a whole like you have to change your whole mindset. Think good things come out of it. Good, like honestly, ever since like I started changing my mindset, I've seen nothing positive things. And yes, there is gonna be those times where you get knocked out of position and you're like fuck, like you're having trouble trying to refrain, but you refrain and you don't let temptation fully push you back out into fucking oblivion and start drifting again. Like I haven't drank in over freaking 5 months, and like my fucking psychology is fucking like 10 times more better. And like I'm like I have ambition, I have goals, I'm getting really. I've always had ambition and goals, but I feel like I'm actually getting closer to them. Like I'm actually acting on acting on my goals and actually trying to reach little short-term goals, reach more short-term goals in order to get to my long-term goals, becoming financially free and being like a humanitarian and being able to take care of people like that are stuck in poverty-stricken conditions and all this freaking trauma that we have going on in the world from addictions to freaking abuse and all this stuff. I just want to be able to be there emotionally for support and then like if anything like see that they're hardworking and deserving and then and then be there for them financially as well and then help them find a way out to where they could gain their own financial freedom. Like that is that that is like the ultimate. That's your ultimatum in life is not being a bum ass deadbeat. Like you want to actually be a productive member of society, not just like not necessarily society, because I disagree with a lot of society's norms. It's just where there's a will, there's a way, papas. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get this comida. We're gonna eat. I'm tired of the struggle. I'm tired, sick and tired of being sick and tired. Lady, running down to the riptide. I'm gonna wait till you outside. I wanna be. I got a lump in my throat. You're gonna sing the way. 1 minute trade downwards. Just feel like it's gonna reverse on us. Oh, oh, running down to the riptide. Singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat. 'Cause you're gonna sing the way. I just wanna know. Running down to the riptide. So right now, what I'm gonna do, how my trading mentality is set up with this balance in my account, I am not gonna believe, oh, I have increased buying power, and I'm gonna up my amount trades and start. No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it play. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna just pretend like all I have is $14 and blow up the $14. You know what I'm saying? Until I'm more comfortable with increasing my risk reward ratio. So how much I'm gonna risk and how much will return and reward. Uh, right now, I don't feel comfortable increasing that past $3. If you notice some of my trades, I roll over and then I tap another dollar over. So uh, that's like bare minimum is like $5 right now. It's buying power, and I let it see how it plays out because I believe like if I'm doing like say I do 10 $1 trades and I only smack on like four of them. You know what I'm saying? That's $8 gained and $6 lost. You know what I'm saying? Well, something like that. I don't know. I don't know if I do all the super analytical math because I got stuck because I didn't subtract like how much we initially put in, which would have been $10. So it would have just only been like $2 profit. Oh, $2 loss. Because if we gain 8 out of 10, I mean, if we won 4 out of 10, we lost 6, and then we gain $8, we'll only lose $2. You know, so it's like almost nearly breaking even. Um, like if we were to just 50-50 it and win 5 out of the 10, then that would just be barely breaking even. But what I like about low balling down here is that you get to test the waters to see be more definite of price movement and price action. Right now, we got technical difficulties. So you know what that means, right? While it's loaded, we gonna read some notes. So so what I guess we'll do. Um, I'm gonna look at news and today view today's news and economic events. So that'll be a little bit of fundamentals. Where am I gonna get my source of knowledge or my source of whatever, you know.
What's up with it?
Um. Okay. Well, yeah. This is what we'll. I'll get my source. The source of this uh fundamentals, fundamental analytics, um, is gonna be at morningbrew.com. So that's I have a I get emails, daily emails on economics, and I try to read them like every day. So that's like my little fundamental analysis. I gain a lot of good good knowledge, like some pretty fascinating stuff that I actually was like, wow, like things about SpaceX, things about a lot of different things like gas prices, price of gold, the inflation, everything from stuff. Let's see what we got today. Um, let me just see if our charts are up. No, they're not up yet. So while it's loading, good morning. I know it's like way in the afternoon for me. I don't know who's tapped in where. German, Australia, France. I don't know. Uh, what do very happy people have in common? The Wall Street Journal followed up with 12% of respondents in a WSJ NORC survey. I don't know what that is. Who caught themselves very happy and asked them what they were all about. Why are they traits they share? Here are the traits they share. Companionship. 60%, 67% of the people's oh, gosh, Lee, I can't even read right now. Like I really know how to read pretty good, but I'm just like not reading good right now. My bad. Okay, here's are the traits that they share. Companionship. 67% of the happiest people said that marriage was very important to them compared to 43% of overall responders. Religion. Two-thirds of very happy people characterize themselves as moderately or very religious, to overall share less than half. The overall share less than half. Closer to death. People 60 and over accounted for 44% of the happiest group, who represented 30% of the total survey respondents. Gym rats. Fitness was a common interest among very happy people. What doesn't seem to matter to being very happy, political party affiliation or avoiding following politics. Neil Freeman. Freeman. Oh, that was a little quote. Nasdaq up 16.23%. Gachos. I might have to jump on MT5 and check that shit out in a little bit. Like after we get on stake. After pocket options, we jump on stake, and then I guess we'll do MT5 and see. That's year to date. So these are uh from the beginning of the year to this date, up 16.23%. Gotcha. S&P, it's up 8.09%. Dow up 2.03. 10-year negative 30.3 BPS. Bitcoin, we're up plus 66.97 of the year. BNB negative 87.29%. All three major US indexes finished slightly lower last week, but the primary direction of the stock market has not been up or down. It's been sideways. Earnings season hasn't dealt any surpasses so far, but that may change when the busiest reporting week yet kicks off. Oh gosh, Lee. Bed Bath and Beyond bankrupt. Oh golly. See shit like that, like that's that's very what is it called? Like I don't know, I didn't know like that's gosh, so Bed Bath and Beyond is all they're bankrupt. Gotcha. Like, you know what? I never thought of that. You have 2 days to remember where you hoarded your 20% off Bed Bath and Beyond coupons and redeem them. Oh, that's funny. After limping along in poor financial health for years, the retailers filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection on Sunday and said it won't stop accepting its famous coupons on Wednesday. Bed Bath and Beyond are getting scraped and are getting scrapped, and so are the stores that accept them. As part of its bankruptcy and liquidation, the company said it plans to close all its 360 B&B BB&B locations and its 120 Bye Bye Baby stores by June 30th if a last minute buyer doesn't rescue it from going out of business. Gotcha, man. So someone jump on that shit. If you got the capital, invest in Bed Bath and Beyond, man, because that's something that is gonna continually be be like in demand. You know. Uh, so if you have the buying power, I would suggest check that out. But I guess their market cap is pretty high because they got 360 BB&B locations at 120 buyback baby stores. Gotcha. By June 30th, they're gonna close them all. See what we got. Let's check the stock to see if our charts are back up. No, they're not. I'm gonna just click reload on that real quick. can't blame the business for failure on economic uncertainty. Numerous bad decisions by Bed Bath and Beyond management led to this chain's demise. But the worst own goal of always its pivot to private label production or items that were made exclusively for Bed Bath and Beyond. This effort was led by Mark Trit- Tritton, a former Target exec installed by activist investors in 2019. Tritton was worked private label magic at Target, releasing dozens of highly profitable Target only lines that offered a promising roadmap to other retailers to follow. But when Trident tried to replicate his Target success at Bed Bath& and Beyond, the strategy broke down like a cheap blender. In certain categories like kitchen appliances, brands matter, and shoppers stopped showing up to Bed Bath& and Beyond after it swapped out KitchenAid mixers and OXO garlic mincers with its own stuff for its own stuff. So yeah, they that's how they ended up going bankrupt because they they took off all of the like the really name brand appliances, and then they put their own Bed Bath and Beyond appliances in, uh, and they just stopped getting good customers, good sales. What happened next? What happens next? A massive going out business sale, matched only by Toys R Us and Circuit City in the last 15 years. Plus, if you're one of the many individual investors who piled into Bed Bath and Beyond when it was trendy meme stock last year, you'll need to take your medicine and move on in bankruptcy proceedings. Debt holders get prioritized over shareholders, so meme stock traders will be left holding the bag. Oh shit, that's gotcha. Damn, that's brutal. Investors earn 325 annualized return here. Really? While the ultra rich have been banking up this under the radar asset for centuries, a group of everyday investors just used to rake in a whopping 325 annualized gain. Sounds ridiculous, right? It definitely does, but it's 100% true. The asset was a sculpture offered by the fractional art investment platform Masterwork. After just 36 days, investors profited a 15.4, a triple digit return on an annualized basis. While it's not common for Masterworks to get profitable exits that fast, every one of their 13 exits has been a profit to investors, totaling more than 35 million in payouts. Gotcha. Let's see. Are the charts back up? Yes, they are. Let's go. So there's still a little bit more of the article that's going. That's some more interesting stuff, like what's going on in the world, like foreign governments and all that. Evacuate diplomats from Sudan. That's all. That's intriguing. Like I like information like that, like what's going on actually in the world. Like no one's really conscious of that. To know what's going on. Um, but let's get back on the chart because they're up, and I don't want to miss out on opportunity. So we're at 5 second chart. Um, some good coffee. Kind of want to go skate at the skate park for a little bit, but honestly, need to go to the gym and go fucking work out a little bit and shower because nigga, my water's off. No cap. I gotta call fucking Saws. I think that's what it's called, San Antonio Water Supply, and hit them up and be like, hey, like, what do I gotta do? How much do I gotta pay to at least get it back on? Like, I know I can't pay like the full amount right now, but I could pay like a little bit, at least hopefully to get it on. Like, and then I, my couple friends were telling me, or a couple acquaintances that I've have, they told me like, hey, well, there's this place where they help you with your water bill, da da da. I'm like, okay, but I want to make at least a payment on it, so they know that I'm actually like putting effort into it and I'm not letting it just build up like that. Um, because it's really weighing on my consciousness, and plus like, fuck it, I had to take a fat ass shit last night and I took a shit and I couldn't flush my toilet. Like I'm gotcha, like fucking upset right now. Like damn, I'm going through it bad. Um, but that's the sentimental aspect. We can't let it get to you. You gotta keep a good trading psychology. Um, that's just the human in us. This the realism. I added that into perspective. You know what I'm saying? So I'm bringing y'all along with me on this journey. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate anybody that taps in and gives me any support. Because that shit that shit means a lot to me. It does. Cause like right now, like I'm like all I got. Like ain't nobody gonna come like fucking rescue me and fucking throw me a bag. Like I gotta come up my own. I gotta come up on my own. I gotta do this shit. Like ain't none of this shit free. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta takes money to make money. So I gotta be smart about my shit. I got a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? And I've decided, hey, I'm willing to risk this much to or potentially gain this much. And I could multiply this by infinity if I just place the fucking if I just go in and channel my all my freaking attention and my all my studies and everything in. I could really go places with this shit. Like I could really believe in it. This looks like a head and shoulders pattern. A little bit, excuse me. So we're taking it slow. Um, Remember what the goal was, to hit 150, and then yeah, that's it for a while. Go jump on something else. Um, I know I want to hit MT5 for sure because that Nasdaq has just been shooting through the roof, and I might put like a long term hold on one and just let it chill and accumulate pips, and then check up on it and then rise the stop loss and like trail the stop loss with it. This brokerage, this is high frequency, so you don't can't apply no stop loss. Like if the price reverts on you and spikes you out, you lose out completely. There's no. Oh, that's why you have to make sure you risk the right amount. on this high frequency shit because you could easily blow your whole account by getting caught up in this higher time frame. Like really, really, really test your patience and everything. And that's why you always got to study your trades and know why you won or why you lost. So it's reaching that key zone. It might, like earlier, it touched that zone and then it reverted from it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a minute trade up, hit one with 15 seconds. It could still test this down here, but I just went for it to test the waters. So price is coming down to test this area. Gonna wanna rectangle and really put that into perspective down here. That it tested this area and it's continuing to test it. I don't know if it's gonna smack me out of that trade or shoot up the last second. Let's go. And it did. Got me, took care of me there. Hell yeah. I guess I'm gonna continue to follow that trend in hopes it doesn't come back and test down here. So that one we stuck on. It's just I'm gonna wait for it to reverse and then go back up because no, I'm not gonna wait for it. I like the momentum it's going. I'll roll that over, go to two, place a $2 entry there. Wait for price to shoot up that way. Roll over. Oh, yeah, that one was brutal. A little bit too late. There we go. So we gained that little loss back that we had took right there. Uh, oh, I got smacked out that at the last second. Mm, oh fuck! I forgot to drag this line over. That's a level of resent support or resistance, whatever. Uh, ooh, smacked out that one. Damn, I should have realized these three confirmation candles. Oh, that one spiked up at the last second. No, fucking dumb bitch. Excuse my language, but that shit pissed me off. Cause like it was clearly fucking uptrend. I got smacked out of that, making me want to play some downtrends, but it's already reaching the point where it's gonna reverse upwards again. Damn, fucking dumb bitch. Excuse me. Need to reevaluate my sentimental aspect of trading psychology. But that was some fucking bullshit. Because now it wants to reverse on me. And if I put an upward one, look what it's gonna go opposite. Because why? Fucking market doesn't like me. Okay, smacked on that one. Smacked on that one. Oh yeah, shit smacked last second. I tried to roll it over, not double it up. Dumb fucking cunt. Excuse me. That pissed me off bad. Like I need to stop thinking about like how bad I need the money and how bad I'm doing and all this shit. Like I need to get that shit out of my head because that shit make me angry. Like fuck. And I'm trying not to be all like in my emotions about fucking everything and all fucking upset and angry about this life we live because it's very beautiful and great. And I know that hard work and determination, I will make it. It's not how, not whether will, it's when I will. It's not whether if I will, it's when I will. I don't know. I don't remember the fucking terminology. But I don't know. This fucking shit is in a sideways market and I've been trading it and it's fucking me up, yo, because I need a breakout. I need a breakout trade. This little fucking sideways market is fucking smacking me around. I'm gonna go hit American Express. Mm, on there. Looking for my next high. I'm looking for clothes. Damn, that shit spiked up at the last fucking second. That's the type of shit that pissed me off, dude. That's the type of shit that get me pissed off. Fucked up liver with some bad kidneys. If I die, I'ma die young. Every day I've been getting fucked up. Everybody else really so. This pain is this pain is pain. Fuck one of those tiny things. Rain, 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 but they don't. But I'm not wrong. Not wrong. So that what we had predicted yesterday night about this, um, it went ended up going short, which is what we had insinuated, or which I had thought it was gonna do. You know what I had predicted the market to go. I predicted one of two things, which was either the only things that it could possibly go. It could have hit this area and then reverted back up and hit this, but it did these purple lines. I marked these yesterday before this pattern had even got here. So it did what I had insinuated it. Came up here and it looks like it made like what a double top, reverted, continued downtrend. So Now this will probably be its level of support down here. Excuse me. Oh shit! I was at the wrong time frame. Smart guy. That was dumb. $4 right there. Oh, why did I double that shit up? Fucking idiot. Should have doubled it up down here when it got. So I'm gonna do a $2 bid because I'm gonna try to push that and make that shit back real fast because I can't get jiggy with that shit. Ah, come on. Yeah, let's go. Come on, bitch. Fuck that shit. I rolled that shit over and it would have smacked on it. There was three. Yeah, none of those even rolled over. Like I clicked rolled over, so that would have been $6 and that would have been $4. Oh nah, fucking idiot. I hate this stupid ass fucking shit. Excuse me. That was out of character. The sentimental aspect of this dumbass trading shit. Um, that's like the biggest part is that you have to overcome. Shit's dumb, pissed me off brutally. Like that shit, how it just spiked me out. Like, come on, bitch ass nigga, let me make it, you hoe ass fucking pocket option. Excuse me again. I'm out of character and um the sentimental aspect has got to me. Let's see. Because I just lost like fucking a lot of my profits for the day. Three, what is this? $8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16 down the fucking drain. So we gotta regain our trading psychology. Ah, fuck. That's like a whole fucking reversal on me. Yeah, that fucking price reverse. If I do a lower trade right now and then it reverses upwards on me, watch that shit is gonna happen. Oh, it is. It is. It is. I know. No, it's reversing like all like slowly. It's gonna smack me out the trade. Oh, the last fucking second. I should have rolled it over. Oh, roll over that one. Roll over. Double it up. Roll that over. Double that up. No, you fucking bitch. Oh, why? Just go and shoot up. Yes, thank you. Oh my god. This is detrimental to my psychology. Super. Thank you. Thank you. Shit's so stressful. It's funny. It's funny how I be getting so so emotional. At the end of it, it makes me laugh, like, because I contradict everything. Like, I feel like I contradict what I say because, like, I'm like, fuck, I hate money. Money's worthless, worth the same shit. Like, it's more about your how you live and your inner self and all this da 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 like philosophy, and then I'm over here like like contradicting all my statements by like being kind of uh very like demanding of funds and like well because we live in a society where it's ruled by our monetary system and classes of society, so it's like it really when it comes down to it, like cash rules everything around us. I'm just trying to fucking live, be able to eat, be able to sleep, shit, and fucking everything else that comes with it is extra. I just want to get like the basics out the way, get the basics out the way, say for myself, my kids, have their future set, and fuck it, everything else extra. I don't even own a TV. You know what I'm saying? I don't own a game console, and I'm I don't wanna. I like video games, believe me. Like I fucking love. Like I grew up playing Modern Warfare 2 and fucking Luigi's Mansion, fucking Tony Hawk's Underground, Tony Hawk's American Wasteland, NFL Street. Fuck it, Halo, Brothers in Arms. All I could run through video games. I'm informed on video games. It's just right now that doesn't really spark my interest. I wanna capitalize and make gains. I don't see any profit in playing video games unless you're like fucking in a video game league and you compete and all that stuff. But you run tournaments. But other than that, like I don't see that's just not what how I want to spend my time. I want to gain capital and not be in poverty levels, and I want to be able to, even if I did like have the financial freedom, I don't think I would be sitting around playing video games. I think I want to have the financial freedom to be able to just fuck it, go live, go enjoy things and go live and sightsee and freaking try different food from different parts of the world and vlog about it and you know take my kids to Disneyland, shit like that. Like, dude, all those things like cost money to be able to enjoy enjoy life. So I have to really put into perspective and account that if I do like freaking like say today I was to like freaking run this up to like freaking 10 racks, and then tomorrow those 10 racks I flip to 20 racks, and then I have to be able to be mentally prepared to have the discipline to utilize that money wisely for my future. You know what I'm saying? To have like a like good good like a foundation for my children and my family. Um I would definitely want to retire as much as my family as possible. I would definitely want to take care of my mother, get her out of her situation. Uh, the mother of my kids, I would make sure that she would be okay. My children, of course, my baby mama's family, they helped me out when I was like struggling gacho. So I know for a fact, like, you know, they're finna get blessed up, you know, then all that stuff. Like, I have to be patient and I have to be persistent. I have to keep all those things in my subconscious, my reasons, my whys. I have to keep all that dwelling in my consciousness and in my subconscious. So I'm totally like strictly motivated, and defeat and failure is not an option. I can't let my emotions of get to me and want to like try to super rush profits, because I could be over here clicking away and fucking lose my whole account. Gotcha bad. And how I know that is because I've done it. I've I've blew my account up to like $500 off of just a freaking $100 deposit, but then I lose it all. I've done that multiple times where I'll do like a $50 deposit and I'll blow up my account to like freaking a bill 50, or like, and then withdraw, put 150, put 100 in my safe on here, and then lose the 50, and then pull from my safe, lose that 50, pull from the safe, and then next thing you know, I have nothing in my safe. Like, there's a certain point where you reach in your trading where you're tired of taking losses, and you have to be super, super, super cautious of every move that you make in the market, because you could blow your account again and again and again. And then you'll just be stuck making deposits, deposit after deposit after deposit. And then you'll be like me with a balance of negative 1,000. 900, like $2,100 that I'm already bid in this market that I've came out of pocket, hard earned worked money that I've had in my that I worked for, put into this market to put in work. And I came up and I lost it. I came up and lost it. Totally lost accounts. Totally lost accounts. Came up a little bit, lost it. Totally blew my deposit. Totally blew my deposit. And all that's part of the game. All that's part of the process of learning and understanding it. So I don't regret losing it, and I accept that loss. I accept that money that I put into the market to gain the knowledge of all the emotions, all the fundamentals, all the sentimentals, all the whole process. All of that was super beneficial because all that money was actual real money that held emotional value and sentimental value when gaining or losing in the market. So you could only run up your demo account so much and so many times to where like it doesn't have an effect. I mean, it doesn't benefit you at all. It's like I've said it so many times in my videos. This analogy is like waterless swimming lessons. Like can't expect to learn how to swim outside of water. You know what I'm saying? Like you got to jump in the water and get your feet wetted and learn that way. You have to actually like fucking drown a bit. You have to drown a little bit, you know what I'm saying, and then learn how to swim. That's what I'm doing right now. Like I'm drowning right now a little bit and I'm learning how to swim. Feel me? Like like gotta teach someone how to fish instead of catch it for them. You know what I'm saying? Like that's off top. Like I just again I appreciate anybody that's along with me in this journey and you know, if you support me, you really believe in my potential and everything, and you believe in my word, and you know what I'm saying, you have faith in me. Just private message me your tacos you like. You know what I'm saying? Your favorite breakfast tacos. Cause when I come up, I'm finna get you some breakfast tacos on my mama. You feel me? I swear to God. My word is my bond. I'm honest. I I got nothing but love on this end. Like I've been in this shit for like the humanitarian fundamentals, like that part, like we shouldn't be in a situation where we're freaking fighting to make ends meet. Like we shouldn't be put in this position where we feel like we don't have a way out and we'll never make it out of poverty. We won't make it out of fucking abuse, and we won't make it out of drug addiction. We won't make it out of freaking like uh like people that are like still stuck in mind states that think that still is the only way here. Like people think that freaking that the only way out is freaking to hit the streets and all that stuff. Like, oh man, like there's better ways of going. And I will be that person for you to uh, help you acknowledge that and understand that you know good things come to those hardworking and deserving. And for me changing my daily habits, I keep getting closer. I feel like I haven't gained the blessing completely because I'm not right in the head. I'm not completely fully like channeling all of my intention, all of my intent, and all of my will, and all of my conscious power that I have uh into this and into that reasons and the goals. Like there's still probably some part of my life in my daily routines that I'm too selfish or I'm not I'm not putting things into consideration. My blessings are getting blocked. I'm not putting all of my full will and potential somewhere. I believe somewhere in my life that I will figure it out where it's going wrong, and I will weed it out and I will fix it. Like I'm trying not to have any uh like a mental structure that will be detrimental to my longevity. I want to build a good trading psychology and overall a good like psychology, like in general, like not just in trading, in everyday life. So right now we'll just scalp with these ones that we have. Uh, oh, excuse me. That was rude. Okay, we got to break out from this key level. So that's good. That's good momentum. I'm gonna follow that momentum because we got three candlestick confirming the momentum. I'm gonna roll it over. Know if it rolled over or not. Lost out on that one. Put another minute trade for the $3 that is on that. I'm willing to risk that. Oh, yeah, so we smacked on that one. Next is this one down here, but price is in sideways market a little bit. Mm. So I put it for so long because I knew that I had a feeling it's gonna come and test up here again, and ultimately continue its downward trend. Oh shit! I'm still at a minute right here. So that one I got smacked out of position. Um, I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna follow that trend. See how far it leads up, or if it's just gonna reverse on me and smack me out. See, that's kind of too risky. Yeah, I'll leave that alone until we get another reversal. But come on, come on, come on, smack that one, smack that, snipe it. Yeah, sniper gang. That shit, snipe that shit at the last second. Right now I'll do 30-second, a minute upwards. Come over here, do 15 second, go up. Uh, damn it, boy. That one got smacked out of position. Oh shit, that's at 30 seconds. Oh, Allah. Come on, fucking idiot. Like, how the fuck it do that on me? Oh, regain your psychology, Ed. Chill. Like, I'll be all super positive and like, uh, with a good trading psych, and then all of a sudden I just snap on, just like fucking fuck shit. Yeah, so I apologize for all the youngsters and the young ears that are interested in trading and have to deal with that. Yeah, I apologize. I'm trying to uh like master all that sentimental shit and choose my language again. Master all the sentimental and not be so obnoxious little losses. Because those little losses I could easily just gain back. Because I'm only I can't I just can't let it get to me and start blowing my account and start trading out of emotion. Because easily I've done this in the past is where I'll lose out like that and then I'll start oh rush trying to rush my profits and gain it back so fast. And that fucks you up. That'll fuck you up. But let's go and look how much we lost. So we could really let it steam. Okay, we have $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7 right there. It's making a new high. So I followed it, but it's probably gonna test this area. It smacked me out at the last second. This is without any indicators at all, just candles and price movement. Uh, that's what I'm doing. Uh, Come on. Oh my god, it smacked me out that shit bad. Last fucking second. I put it longer because I thought that it was gonna just reverse right here and then go up. But we could see that all with all this inconsistency, buyers and sellers are fighting to regain control of the market. That's why it's all just caca right here and no definite trades. So we have this line of uh fucking fuck. This I'm getting frustrated due to the fact that uh I don't know, I just everything's just getting to me and I don't like it. I probably need to like smoke a little bit of ganja to to calm that anxiety and that little over anxiousness because like I'm getting like a little like frustrated that I'm just staying in between like $90 and 110. Like that's where the price that I've only seen myself be like stuck in between right now this session, and I'm not fucking I'm not liking it. I'm not digging it. I don't feel good about it, and I know I need to get a grip of those feelings and really really channel in on my potential. So broke jotted down some lines so we could get more of a clearer understanding of what price movement is going through. Could go and touch all the way back up here, so that's what we're shooting for. Uh, but price probably gonna want to just test that area and then go into a downtrend like it is right now. And I just got fucked out of that monies that I just put in. And if I put a downtrend now, watch, it's probably gonna reverse on me and go up and smack me out of this one too. But let's hope that it doesn't. Um, it's going pretty good on that one. That one's smacked unless it just smacked me out at the last second and it didn't. So that was good. Um, I guess I'm gonna wait for a reversal to go bullish and then place a bearish trade like 30 seconds to a minute downwards. So if it continues to go up a little bit, it'll have time to go down. Um, I'm actually gonna roll that over to $2, so it has more than enough time to go down. Uh, I'll put a dollar trade on that. Spike down, spike down. Oh fuck! Try to do the blowing candle technique. Uh, I wanna. I'm gonna follow the trend, and I kind of feel like I shouldn't because it's gonna reverse on this level. I believe. Like, yeah, see, it's reversing on me, which is kind of good because I need that price movement to smack back down over here and not continue to go bullish. But fuck, it's reversing again on me. Chingawe. I made a high, a low, high, high, low. So I guess this is this fucking little support where the double bottom is at. But I just feel like if I go higher, it's gonna spike out on me downwards and reverse from it, like it did over here. And there's no definite, like see how it just spiked down again like that, and it fucking like that shit like that. That shit gets me so fucking over the edge. I'm just like, God, like I like one thing I hate is fucking money, and then for me to not have any, and see how everybody like how people drive around in fucking badass cars and shit, and have fucking badass assets, and like uh, all this fucking fun things in the world that people acquire. Like how it makes me pissed off. Like how the fuck can I not be able to enjoy life at that level? Like of existence. Like where how do I go wrong? How do I have to? What do I have to do in order to become privileged and able to be able to splurge and be able to have fun like that? Like I want to be able to enjoy life. I don't want to be in hurt and stressed over fucking financial problems. Like she really like me that I brought children into this world that we're gonna have to like go through shit like that. And like just like that fucking little $1 right there that smacked me out. Like it holds very, very strong fucking sentimental value, and I know the value of this fucking dollar. Like it's really, really irking me. Like it's really irking me, and I need to just keep my patience, stay focused, and get this shit. Like I can't just give up. No, so yeah, fuck it. That shit. There's no like you can't really predict what the fuck's going on. It's always just gonna go wherever the fuck it wants to. I don't have the buying power to be making badass moves where it moves the market. Like all these movements are from people that put in fucking big entries, buyers that are just gonna fucking reverse on me and smack me out. Fuck, bitch. Damn. Price wanna just reverse on me like that. Like fucking $8 right there. More than that. I had I had just fucking God, that shit hurts. Like I'm getting frustrated. I don't want to be frustrated, and the more I talk about it, it gets me frustrated. Running down to the riptide, I'm gonna wait till you lost. I wanna be your left hand man. Love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Like the second time I think I've listened to this song on this while I've been streaming this. It's because it went through my favorites, I guess, and I think I just replayed it. Yes, there we go. Thank you. So right now we're finally seeing some good momentum in the market. On the way to the dark side, I wanna be your left hand man. When you're singing that song, yeah, like a lump in my throat, 'cause when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Running down through the river, left hand man. When you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause it's flowing. I'm out of coffee. It got a little bit of coconut water. So Pocket Options is loading right now. It's being taking forever. But we'll go back into the morning brew, even though it's way late in the afternoon, and we'll toward the headline. Black smoke covers Sudan capital. Oh shit! April 19th. That's just the image. I wish I could share it with you. Oh, I could, but I don't feel like it. My bad. Foreign governments evacuate diplomats from Sudan. The U.S., the UK, and other countries are airlifted diplomats and other citizens out of Sudan over the weekend as fighting continued to rage between two rival generals over control of the African country. The situation is getting dire for Sudanese people caught in the crossfire. More than 420 people have been killed. Food, water, and electricity are getting scarce. The internet and phone servers suffered a near total collapse yesterday, according to net blocks and monitoring service. NBC boss gets booted. Jeff Shell, CEO of NBC Universal, is leaving the company for inappropriate conduct. Parent company Comcast said in a statement, Shell acknowledged an inappropriate relationship with a woman in the company, which I deeply regret. Shell was one of the most powerful figures in media, overseeing everything from Universal theme parks to NBC News and Bravo. He joins a list of other media execs, including CNN, Jeff Zucker, who have stepped down over inappropriate relations at work. Dead celebrities get blue check marks on Twitter. Prominent people who are deceased, such as Chadwick Boseman, Barbara Walters, and Anthony Bourdain, have received and verified badge on Twitter. That's supposed to be reserved for accounts that pay $8 a month for a subscription to Twitter Blue. A note from the company on their page states that their celebs have paid for their subscription, even though they are not alive. Twitter has restored blue check marks to many other living celebrities who aren't paying for Twitter Blue either. So, what is what this all amounts to, seemingly is the CEO Elon Musk is partially recreating the verification system he made a big deal of destroying. Marketing. Bud Light makes changes after calls for boycott. Bud Light's VP of marketing, Alyssa Heinerscheid, if that was pronounced correctly, hell yeah. If I butchered that shit, my bad. And her boss, Daniel Blake, were placed on leave following conservative backlash to recent campaigns with transgender influencer Dylan Mulvaney. Since Heinerscheid became the first woman ever to lead Bud Light's marketing last June, she sent out the she set out to revive the declining brand by appealing to women and younger people. Those efforts include a partnership with Dylan Mulvaney, a transgender influencer who promoted Bud Light's March Madness giveaway on April 1st, with a personalized can the company had sent her. The partnership did not sit well with many conservatives who attack Bud Light for being another corporation that went woke, in quotation, woke, by prioritizing inclusivity. Kid Rock filmed himself shooting 12 packs of Bud Light, so their conservatives use social media to urge a boycott on the brand. God, so bad. What's Bud Light's response been? Last week, the CEO of parent Anheuser-Busch re- released statement, statement, a non-statement statement writing, "We never intended to be part of a discussion that divides people. And yesterday, shakeup shows it's not happy with how the Mulvaney company went down, along with sidelining the two execs, and changing its marketing department structure to give senior employees more visibility into all decisions. The boycott appears to be having some effect on business. According to Beer Business Daily, Bud Light sales fell 10.3% the week ended April 8th, while shares in rival Mallison Coors appeared to have gotten at least a short-term lift. That's gacho. It's crazy, right? Like, oh, just I just have so many just thoughts for it. Like, that's crazy. How marketing campaign could go from thinking that it's gonna be a positive impact and make profits and to being totally detrimental to the business and losing 10.7% sales in the week. Golly, gachos. So yeah, they need a uh like they said right here, give the senior employees more visibility into all the decisions. So they could have had a I guess better outcome. Sponsored by Babbel. Okay, so the the morning brew. That's where I'm getting this source of information that I'm reading off of. It's sponsored by Bevel, which is an application. Speak new language for less. If traveling and simply learning new things is on your 2023 goal list, Babbel can help you get started. Their fun 10-minute lessons are proven to help anyone start speaking a new language in just 3 weeks. For a limited time, get 60% off for your subscription. Wow, that's great. What gives you the yarn to learn a new language? Communicating with family, traveling like a local, leveling up at work. Do I need a reason? That's dope. Might have to give that application a try because I do want to learn new languages and travel. Um, the week ahead, Biden may announce re-election bid tomorrow. The U.S. president will reportedly debut his re-election campaign in a video message as soon as Tuesday. If elected to another 4-year term, Biden would be 86 at the end of White House tenure, older than any other president in history by far. Stuffed earnings week. It might be easier to list who isn't reporting earnings this week. Tech giants including Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta will drop Q1 financials, but so many other large firms such as Coca Cola, McDonald's, Spotify, GM Boeing, and ExxonMobil. So they're not reporting their earning this week. That's weird. Um, debts vote. With time ticking for the government to raise the debt ceiling and avoid an economic catastrophe, the House is expected to vote on a Republican bill that would raise the debt ceiling this week. It's stuffed with things Democrats disapprove of, like tighter rules on food stamps. So it's intended to be starting point for negotiation. Anything else? Let's see. Israel will mark its 75th birthday this week amid ongoing protests against Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu pause, plan to plan to overhaul the judiciary. Crazy. A movie adaptation of Judy Blume's "Are You There, God?" It's Me. Margaret will be released on Friday. The NFL draft begins Thursday. Carolina Panthers, you on the clock. um, Key performance indicators. Grab the bag. Here's a quote. Um, I'm not sure I can actually process what's happening tonight. I don't know who said that quote because it doesn't have a name on there. I think that has to do with sport. Let's skip that because I don't really care for it. I mean, I care for sports and stuff, but yeah. What else is brewing? Oh God, what else is happening? The animatronic dragon Maleficent burst into flames during a live show at Disneyland Saturday night. Actual bad. Everybody was like, "Oh my god, it's a fucking satanic ritual. We knew it. We knew Disney evil 666ism was real." Charles Barkley and journalist Gayle King will co-host a weekly primetime show called King Charles on CNN beginning this fall. Gotcha. A German magazine fired its editor in chief and apologized after running an interview with an AI generated Michael Schumacher, the Formula One champion who hasn't been seen in public since a devastating 2013 skiing accident. Yeah. Pet parrots. They were taught to call other birds became less lonely, and new study claims. Oh, pet parrots. They were taught to call other birds become less lonely. Dude, that's like the best thing I've read this whole freaking the whole study. Like that is actually like that's dope. That's revolutionary. That's phenomenal. Like that's just crazy. Pet parrots that were taught to video call other birds become less lonely. Wow. Mm. Yeah, that was good. Morning brew. I some days I don't read the morning brew. I just skim through it a little bit. Some days I don't click in on it at all, but I try to make it a priority early in the morning. So, or at least before trading, whatever time I wake up. Sometimes I sleep in, but to make it a priority to go through because it helps me get my brain working and moving and um yeah, out of that little morning uh, sleepiness. And yeah, so let's see if pocket options is up. The charts are back up. Let me see. If not, I'm gonna jump off pocket option and move over to the stake app, and we'll do a little bit of stake strategies. Yeah, let's see. I just don't know if the charts are gonna be working right now. Because really still, I want to hit my goal, the $50 profit for this session, and it's very, very, it's just not, it's just gonna it's gonna eat me up and and it's gonna stay on my consciousness, like, and I need to hit that goal. Like it's bad that I'm up on here for fucking 3 hours and then barely hitting my profit. Yeah, so charts aren't working right now. Kind of fucking pissing me off, to be honest. So I don't want to be messing with this if it's gonna be pissing me off, man. Uh, I'll catch y'all in a few. Tune in to the next video. I'll be on stake since yeah, today I didn't, on this session right here that we are on, I didn't hit my goal. So kind of upset about that. But positive mental attitude. Peace out. Be safe.